Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Vellaipudu Vengayam chutney. This chutney is made for variety of idly and dosas. You can take this for traveling also. This is a very yummy chutney and very easy to make. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Vellaipudu Vengayam chutney. Take 4 big onions. Chop it nicely. 5 tomatoes. That also chop it finely. 2 cloves of garlic, cut it finely. Roasted Bengal gram called as pottu kadalai, 1 tablespoon. Dry powder it in mixie. Curry leaf for seasoning. Mustard seeds. Broken urud dal. Salt, cooking oil, asafoetida, chili powder. In a cooker, add oil. Once the oil is ready, grease it so that it won't stick. Season it with mustard seeds, broken urud dal, asafoetida. Then add the chopped fine big onions. Sort it well nicely till it gets cooked 1/4. Add curry leaves. And chopped garlic. Then add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well nicely. Just add very less salt for tomato to get cooked. Now add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Mix it well. Add half a liter of water. Then close the cooker. Keep it for 1 whistle and 5 minutes in sim. Now once the pressure is released, open the cooker, boil it 1 time and add the roasted gram powder. I mean pottu kadalai powder. Mix it well. Automatically this powder makes the gravy get thick. That's it. Vellaipudu Vengayam chutney is ready for idli dosa. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video.